What is personal data? Many people recognize identifiers as personal data. Very typically, it's name, address, your IC number, telephone number, biometrics, retinal scans, DNA profiles, anything that is related. The law which is your Personal Data Protection Act, defines personal data as data which can be true or false, which can be in electronic or non-electronic format, that leads to identification of an individual is personal data. It could be data which is in possession by an organization or that an organization may collect about you is called personal data. Now, beyond personal data is data that is collected from other sources. The new law, the new amendments have indicated data which has been scraped from other sources as derived data as well, and covers derived data. Now, as an individual, if I were to meet another individual, I wish to put across a certain image about myself. I can dress in a certain way, behave in a certain way, act in a certain way, react in a certain way. I have control over what I want the other person to perceive about me. However, your digital data is completely different. It tells you a wholly different story. Normally, 5 points of data are enough for most people to identify or create a profile about the other person. Things like places where you visit and the places where you take your friends or your family to. Your gym, your house, the kind of car you drive is enough to create a profile out of you. And this form of digital data is something which you have no control over. And this is a larger part of what personal data is all about.